Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A54, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications, extend the list by swiping down on it again, and well, look for the hotspot toggle. It's called mobile hotspot here. So once you see this toggle, first time around I recommend holding it. This will take you to the settings where you can select customize or configure, and then start off by changing the password. As you can see, the password that is here is absolutely atrocious. It is randomly generated, so that's why I recommend completely removing it and setting up your own. Now your own password needs to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can tap on the save button and save it, which is what I will do. Now there's a couple additional settings, but I recommend keeping them as they are, as this will ensure that your hotspot functions with basically any kind of device that has Wi-Fi connectivity. So from there, let's find the toggle once more, and this time around we're going to simply tap on it. Turn off. And there we go. As you can see, it is now enabled. Now because it uses the same antennas as Wi-Fi, it would appear so, it tells us that we need to turn off Wi-Fi for hotspot, which is a little bit disappointing at a device at this price range to use the same antennas. But I guess we get what we get from Samsung. So anyway, let's say we would enable it. Just keep in mind when using your hotspot, you don't have Wi-Fi. And additionally, when using hotspot will consume a little bit more of your battery. So once you're done with it, you want to obviously turn it off, because there's really no reason for it to be running in the background for, well, zero benefit if you're not using it. Additionally, in addition to using more battery, obviously you don't have Wi-Fi at that time, so just turn it off. Now anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.